Hey there, got a quick little DIY hack for you today. This right here is a little Philips retrofit pot light. Got this for I think like $2 on clearance at Princess Auto. The pot light basically has a cord with this connector at the end here, meant to fit into a standard socket, and then I guess you'd use this guy as a regular pot light. This also detaches. So you could probably just snip this guy off, connect it as normal if you just wanted a regular pot light. Also, only 8.5 watts, and it's also Philips, so not a bad brand. Okay, now here's where the dodgy DIY part comes in. Everyone's got one of these lamps in their garage or attic or something. So what we're gonna do, just disconnect this. Of course, make sure the lamp is plugged out before you do this. Make sure that's in real good there. Reconnect this guy. And what's gonna happen, the inner diameter of this guy right here is just about good enough for these guys here to clamp on the outside, but you don't want this cable getting pinched or damaged in any way. So you're going to very carefully wind this cable around here. Then you're just going to fit this guy in here. And doesn't fall out. Just going to plug it in. And here we go. Works. Okay, so now you're thinking, well, this is great and all, but what use could this possibly be to me? Well, if you're ever in need of, shall we say, discount studio lighting, and you ever manage to track down some of these guys for cheap, all you gotta do, run to the thrift store, pick up something like this with one of these sockets, and you're pretty much good to go. I would advise softening the light with something, either foam or even like some folded paper towel. Just make sure you don't let it overheat too much. It is only 8.5 watts, so you should be okay, but don't burn down your house just because some idiot on YouTube showed you something. Okay, thanks for watching.